Doing a reset is a quick and easy fix you can try at home if your LG washing machine inverter direct drive isn't working quite right. Here's how to do it. Start by turning the machine off. Just press the power button on the front panel to shut it down. Then unplug the washer from the wall. If you want to be extra careful, go ahead and flip the circuit breaker off as well. This ensures there's no power running to the machine while you work. Next, you'll need to clear out any leftover electricity in the system. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds, then let go. Do the same with the start button, holding it for 5 seconds as well. This helps discharge any residual power stuck in the controls, which can sometimes cause glitches or error codes to appear. Now, let the washer sit for about 5 minutes. Don't touch anything. Just give it time to reset fully and let all the internal circuits stabilize. After that, flip the breaker back on if you turned it off, plug the machine back into the wall, and press the start button. Your washing machine should now be reset and ready to use like normal. This process usually clears up minor glitches, frozen cycles, or error codes. If problems keep happening even after the reset, it's a good idea to check your user manual or reach out to LG customer support for further troubleshooting. Doing this reset occasionally can also help keep your machine running smoothly and prevent small errors from becoming bigger issues.